In this video, we are going to show you how to import our templates into InDesign. Please note, we recommend using Illustrator with our templates if you have access to that program. With InDesign open, click File, then New, and then Document. Here, we will enter the size of the template. When you open our template PDF, you will see Data Format under the finished print size. You are going to use this size listed under Data Format for your artboard size in InDesign. In InDesign, change the units to centimeters and enter the data format size. Since the templates are sized to a 1 to 10 scale, you will move the decimal over to the left one spot. Since the width is 84.4 centimeters for this template, we will enter it into InDesign as 8.44 centimeters, and for the height, we will take the 209.4 centimeters and enter it in as 20.94 centimeters. Now, scroll down to where it says margins and bleed to make sure the numbers are all zeroed out. Click on Create. Next, click on File at the top left and select Place. Find your template and select it. Make sure that Show Import Options is selected at the bottom left and that both Replace Selected Item and Create Static Captions are deselected, and click Open. Another window will open asking you which page you would like to open. The first page lists detailed information about the template and what to watch out for. The second page has the template that you will design on. Select the second page, make sure the Crop To under Options is set to bounding box all layers, and click OK. The thumbnail of the template will now appear to the right of the mouse cursor. Left-click on the top of the white artboard to place the template. The template should be aligned correctly with the artboard. Once your template is in place, go to your Links panel and right-click on the template name. Select Embed Link. Before you start designing on your template, go to the Layers panel, create a layer, and drag it under the other layer. Make sure you design on this layer and not the layer that has the template. When finished with your design, package your file by going to File in the upper left and then click on Package. A window will appear. Go to the Links and Images tab and check to make sure all assets like images are embedded. This will ensure all linked elements are transferred correctly. Click Package to package your file together. If you need any additional information or help, you may contact customer service or check out our template design and artwork warning playlists on YouTube.